Right now, Windows is silently letting your C drive fill up with junk. And there's a built-in tool that was designed to stop it. It's pre-installed on every Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching Content Creator Pro. Today I'll show you the exact settings that make your PC clean itself automatically. No third-party software, no manual effort, nothing. So let's get started. Alright, let's look at what's going on with your PC. Every time you install an app, run an update, or even browse the internet, Windows creates temporary files, leftover data, cached information it no longer needs. Your recycle bin fills up, your downloads folder becomes a graveyard, and Windows just watches it pile up because nobody told it to clean. The feature that fixes this is called Storage Sense. It runs silently in the background on a schedule you control, and it handles the digital housekeeping automatically. Let me show you how to set up correctly. Click your Start menu. Open Settings, the gear icon. On the left sidebar, click System. Then, on the right panel, click Storage. This page gives you a live breakdown of everything eating your disk space right now. Take a quick look. You might already be surprised by what's here. Scroll down slightly, and you'll see Storage Sense. Click directly on it. First thing, this toggle at the very top. If it's off, turn it on right now. That's your master switch. Until this is on, none of the settings below do anything. Now, most people who do find this page leave the default schedule in place, and that's a mistake. The default is set to during low free disk space only. That sounds sensible, but what it actually means is Windows will only clean up after your drive is nearly full. By the time it kicks in, the problem has already happened. Don't leave it there. Here's what I recommend instead. Click the drop-down under Run Storage Sense. You'll see 4 options. Every day. That's overkill. Windows doesn't generate enough daily junk to justify running a cleanup every 24 hours. Skip it. Every week. This is the right pick if you're a heavy PC user. You install software regularly. You work on your machine daily. Weekly cleanup keeps everything lean. Every month. This is the sweet spot for the average user. Casual browsing, streaming, occasional downloads. Monthly is more than enough. During low free disk space, we already covered this. It's reactive, not proactive. Don't use it as your primary setting. My recommendation? Every month for most people. Every week if your PC is your workhorse. We'll pick every week. Next setting, delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over X days. Click that drop-down. Here's what this actually does. When you delete a file, Windows sends it to the recycle bin first. That's your safety net. This setting permanently removes those files after the time period you choose. Your options are never 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. Never means Storage Sense leaves your recycle bin completely alone. If you choose that, you're still manually emptying it. Defeats the point. My pick, 30 days. If you haven't needed that file in a month, you don't need it. If you're the type of person who never recovers deleted files, go with 14 days. Now stop, because this next setting is the one that catches people off guard. The Downloads folder. Windows asks, delete files in my Downloads folder if they have not been opened for over X days. Before you configure this, understand what your Downloads folder contains. Installers, software drivers, important documents, files you saved just in case. Unlike the recycle bin, these files are not moved anywhere first. If Windows deletes them based on this rule, they're gone. No second chance. Here's what not to do. Don't set this to 1 day or 14 days, thinking you'll stay organized. You won't, and you'll lose something important. My recommendation? Leave this on Never. Let Windows automate the recycle bin, but your Downloads folder? You control that manually. If you genuinely want automation here, set it to 60 days minimum. That gives you enough of a buffer to catch anything you actually need. One last thing, scroll all the way down on this page. You'll see a button, Run Storage Since Now. Click this if your drive is already cluttered. It runs an immediate cleanup based on every rule you just set up. It's your manual override, useful when you can't wait for the next scheduled run. Quick recap of what you just did. You switch Storage Since on. You set a proactive schedule instead of leaving the useless default. You configured your recycle bin to auto-clear after 30 days. And you protected your downloads folder from accidental deletion. Windows will now run its own maintenance, silently, on schedule, completely hands-free. Now, Storage Since handles the automatic cleanup, but there's an entire category of hidden junk it doesn't touch. Temp files buried in system folders. Prefetch data. Software caches that have been sitting on your drive for months. If you want to clean those out too, and actually get significant storage back, my next video shows you exactly how to do that without touching anything sensitive. Expect that soon. You will discover that the amount of hidden garbage on your PC will genuinely surprise you. That's all for today. Please do like, comments, and share on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you get benefit from this video. Thanks for watching.